What's good? It's your boy Chevy back with another video. What we got popping today, and I am super excited, is we are throwing on something onto the 440. Let's take a look at that in the background. If you guys can already see, we got the lift here, already got the car lifted up. So what we installing today, let me show you guys real quick. We're going to be throwing on a set of M Performance style side skirts on the 440 today. I am so excited to put these things on. You guys told me you want to see more miles on the 440, so that's what I'm doing for you guys. If you like this content, make sure to hit the like button. That's how I know that you guys want to see more 440 content. Make sure to comment down below so I can put more videos out for you guys. I got a lot of ideas for the 440, but I want to make sure you guys want to see this, so make sure to let me know. Let's jump into the install. All right, so looking at the car, I jacked it up a bit so I can get a little bit more room underneath. You're going to want to make sure if you're installing side skirts that the skinny portion here is up front and the wide portion is in the back, right? Now, when we install this, you can see it has a little lip here, right? That lip is gonna go on the inner edge of the car. Let me show you underneath. So the side skirt's gonna come in here. You're gonna have your lip, and that's gonna sit right inside of here, just like so. You're gonna make sure that this lip is sitting up inside of here. All right, gang, let's get to installing. Or inside the box, it came with these screws right here, and then also these washers. We're gonna take one of these screws, put it inside the washer, and that's what's gonna go into here. So for example, this piece is the back. And make sure that lip is sitting there, lined up perfectly where we want it to be. And we're gonna screw it in. Just like so. And I'm just gonna get it started right now. So that way I'm gonna do one up front as well, so I can make sure my thing is lined up. So now I got that first one in there. I'm gonna use it as a pivot point so I can set up my next one. Yeah, this is a crazy angle right now. Now I'm gonna go put one in up front. So let me do that, and then we can line up and get all the screws in for the bottom of this piece, and then we'll do the other side. All right, so now we got this one in here, the middle one and back one. Let's go ahead and screw the rest of them down. I'm gonna do that right now. Yo, this looks so good. Take a look at this thing. Oh, you got to see, like, okay, hold on. Let me just show you guys. Bro, it's subtle, but it looks so good. Oh, it also makes it look a little lower too on this side. Easily, very easy install. Like, if you ain't recording and all that, 10 minutes and you're done. As long as you can jack your car up, 10 minutes and you're done. It's easy, bro. Look at the side without it. Boom. And then coming over to the other side right here, bro. That looks so good. All right, I'm gonna go do the other side real quick. That should only take me about 10 minutes to bang out really quickly. If not, only 5 minutes, and I'll get back with you guys. Because if you don't have these done, they're very inexpensive. I'm gonna make sure I put the link down below in the description. Very low cost, great way to change up the look. If you were gonna put the side skirts on yours, I definitely recommend front lip first, rear diffuser, right? Just to give it that full look, then side skirts, just like I'm doing right here, because oh my gosh, it just all ties in perfectly. Let me just show you one more time before I get to the other side. Right, so check it. Front lip, bang, poking out. A little bit more aggressiveness happening there. Side skirt, coming down the side. Looks way better now. Then to the back here, rear diffuser. Bang. It's like the whole package has to be there. Oh my God, it just completes the look. I don't know why it took so long to do this modification. If you guys are sitting on the fence about it, just do it. Just do it. Honestly, I'm thinking about on the back here. Let me show you guys. On the back here, I know there's some that come out and they shoot up. I think that'll look good here because, man, that side profile looks so much better now. All right, I'm gonna go do the other side right now. I'll get back with you guys in a minute. All right, we got the other side on. Your boy is sweating. It's hot out here, bro. It's 80 degrees. I don't know why I'm always doing this in the hot weather, but we did it. It's done. It's out there. Shawty is about to leave right now, so we're gonna get her reveal. Bro, look at the way that is looking right now. Oh my gosh. Yo, sometimes you ever look at your car and be like, yo, I can't believe that's mine. Like, I can't believe that's mine. I do that all the time when I look at this thing or the Corvette. I'm like, can't believe I made it there. Thanks to you guys as well. Make sure to keep hitting that like button and subscribing. So Shorty's about to come out right now. Let's get the reveal. Let's see what she thinks of it. She come.
Woo!
What you think?
It's looking clean. Look at that.
And it was quick. Like, how long was I out here for?
I don't know, a minute. Oh my God. It looks so good, the flow from the front lip around to the sides. It gives it like that edge.
Yeah.
Love that.
Looks good. Gotta wash this thing up.
Oh, it looks real good.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's nice, it's subtle, it's not crazy. It's like OEM plus.
No, it's nice.
Texture.
It's just gloss black.
Gloss black all the way around,
Yeah.
all the way to the rear diffuser.
Looks good. Oh, it makes the car look aggressive.
A little more aggressive on the sides.
Look, it ties into the front even, you know?
That's what I was saying to him.
What were you saying? What were you saying to who?
Yo, okay, funny thing. She like, who you was saying that to, son? That's what I was saying to y'all just a moment ago. I was talking to somebody I work with, and they watch the YouTube channel, son. I shout out Alejandro if you're watching this right now. And he was like, yo, I swear it feels like you talking directly to me, like we homies, and we right there on video together, and I'm right there next to you. I don't care. That's how I'm talking to y'all, son. I love y'all. I hope y'all like this content, but you like the way it looks?
Yeah, it looks really good.
Bro, we got to go show somebody else, too. So we got to dip out of here. We're going to roll out. There's a car show going on right now. I'm going to slide out there. Just got to get this thing in front of some people. You know what I mean? I'll see you guys at the car show. Bro, I pulled up to the spot. This is where the car show is supposed to be at. It's supposed to go to 3. It's 2:29 right now. This thing is dead at this point, bro. Pretty much everyone I feel like that was here earlier is gone. So I tried to show it all to some people, man. I hope you guys like this install. Let's see if we can get into something tomorrow, and I'll get back with you guys. All right. Let's roll into tomorrow. I heard there's a cruise going down, so we're gonna see if we can get a part of that, get some good content, some good photos, some good vibes, you know what I mean? So we'll see what we can get out of that. Shout out, bro. This is his car. Charger right here, bro. He just painted this thing. Look at how good this thing looks. Where that sun glistening off of it. If you get in real close, you can see that sparkle too. Bro out here doing this thing right now with the Charger stuff, you know what that's looking like. Yo, I realized I never got you guys some good B-roll on the side skirts. Let me do that for you guys real quick.
Look at me ballin'. Look at me ballin'.
All right, now your boy's gonna holler at you at the cruise. Let's go ahead and do that. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, bro, we are now on to the next day, bro. Getting ready to roll off to a cruise. You know your boy had to get some gas real quick. Wash the car up, bro. I tried to clean the wheels up with this cleaner. They so dirty. I gotta get this car really detailed. Let me show you guys what the wheels are looking like right now. The boy caught slipping. So the wheels definitely need to be cleaned up. I'm gonna see if I can clean them up when we get to the spot, just a little bit, in case we do some roller shots or anything like that is happening. You know you want your car looking clean, especially for those. Anyways, let's roll out. We're going to meet up with someone we have not seen on the channel in a minute. I know you guys are gonna be excited to see this because your boy is excited to catch up with a homie. So let's do that. Let's roll out. All right, but before we meet up with the homie, you know we gotta go get something to drink, you know what I mean? It is hot out, 88 degrees right now. So let's see what we got in here today. Bro, they jamming music in here right now. Let's see what we picking up. Some fruit snacks too. Bro, I always see people talking about these Alanis. I'm gonna get one of these orange kisses, you know what I'm saying? Right here. And just for some water, one of these good old Propels. Just like that. End up grabbing some Sour Patch Kids watermelons too. Can't go wrong. All right, we got the package. Let's go ahead and meet up with the homie now, bro. It is hot today. It's crazy, but we meeting up at 4. We should get some good shots. Can't wait to get some good flicks of the car. Cleaned it up pretty decently. Besides the wheels, man. That's never been my strong suit, I swear. I'm working on it. I'll get it there for you guys, especially by next year. Let's do this. My guy right here, bro. Y'all haven't seen Andy in a minute, son. What's good, bro? How we living, bro? How we living, bro?
Good.
Man, it's been a minute, son.
Yeah.
Life's good. Golf R's looking fire too, bro. Excited for the cruise?
Yeah, I don't know who's going.
Yeah. Yeah, I told you about it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'll get back with you guys when we get to the cruise. All right, so we just pulled up to the spot. We got the cars here. We're waiting on one more car to show up. Should be a good time. Let me go ahead and get you guys some slow-mo of who's here right now so you guys can see that.
Shoot my shot and it go when you know it's flawless. Look at me ballin'. Look at me ballin'. I gave my number to the bag and now it's calling. Look at me ballin'. Look at me ballin'. I shoot my shot and it go when you know.
We about to get ready to roll out in a moment here now. Bro, a little bit of everything. It's nice. Some German cars. I'm happy I brought the BMW today. Show off the side skirts, get some good footage. We got someone who's here with us right now. He does a lot of car footage. I'm gonna tag his channel down below. Bro, I am ready to cruise. It's gonna be a beautiful day, nice sunset. Hopefully we stop at a spot, get some great footage. let's roll out. There's something so nice about just casually cruising with the crew. Sunset, just all the beautiful views, bro. Ah, this is nice and peaceful. I love it. I love it. I can't wait till we get to the spot, bro. I know the flicks, the video, the content is gonna look so good, bro. Ah, I can't wait to see my car in the right lighting. Bro, when that light just hit it right, you know. You know what I'm saying? You picked the right car. This is a perfect time, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that like button, that subscribe button down below. Because, man, what a beautiful, beautiful view we got here. Just to show you guys what I'm seeing right now, I've just been looking at this Evo 8 in front of me. So we cruise through. Audi S3 in front of him. My boy Chris in front of him. And then behind me, Audi S4. And then behind there is my boy Andy with the Golf R. All right, gang, we have just touched down. We have just cruised over to the spot. As you guys can see, your boy got his meta glasses on right now. Make sure you follow me on TikTok, Instagram, all that, because they get to see this content first, son. So make sure you subscribe to that stuff. Make sure you're following me on there. It don't cost you anything. Just holla at your boy and be on there. But as you can see, we are here at the spot now. Brian, we got the whips over here. And then we got the rest of the group over here. So it's beautiful out here, but it's great that these things transition. I love the fact that I got these meta glasses with my prescription in them, so I can drive with them, get you guys a lot of good footage. All right, bro. I'll get back with you guys when we get cruising again, because we got another spot we're gonna hit up. We're gonna get some flicks here. Maybe I'll put some in the video right now. All right, guys, we about to pull up to the spot where we about to take some flicks. Man, it's looking dreamy through this area right now. I love it. I love it. Can't wait to see what it's gonna look like. Woo! You can see, bro. We going through this this area and it's just trees lined up on both sides. I trust my boy Chris. It should be a good spot. Let's see what it's looking like. Bro, when we pulled up just now, you guys saw it. It looked like a Fast and Furious movie. The way the sunset was hitting, all that, bro. It was beautiful, just beautiful. We about to get some flicks, as you guys can see. Let me show you. Bang. Right here. Got the man here taking the flicks, the legend. Got Chris over there. I think he's trying to get some flicks in. Bro, I had to pull a car over here real quick just to get a couple flicks. I'm gonna put those in the camera right now so you guys can see what that looks like. Oh, so good with this sunset backdrop.
Rolling on my phone.
All right, so my boy Chris, he let me borrow for a quick second. He has a CPL filter. I just threw that on top of the Osmo Pocket 3. You guys let me know what you think. It's a polarizer, right? So you guys can probably see a little bit of reflection on my glasses. So if I were to take this and adjust it like that, it's going to adjust the amount of polarization that you see. Can you see my, even my forehead, bro? Look it. It's gonna change it. So that way you can get the right image, bro. That is crazy. All right, let's try it out on the car and see what the footage looks like. For example, when you're looking at the car, you can see just the way that the shadows are hitting on the, oh my gosh, bro. Look at that. You can see the difference. I know I'm adjusting it, but I just want to see if you guys can see that on the hood. Perfect.
Lying to myself. It's not so hard.
All right, guys, we just wrapped it up today. I hope you guys had a lot of good fun watching me put the side skirts on this thing, cruise out. It was a beautiful time. We about to roll out of here. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below, and I'm gonna make sure I put the link for these side skirts in the description below. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Yeah, okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I